A long, long time ago, there lived a naughty green frog. He only liked to play outside, and he didn't listen to his mom. Son, can you take this to Mrs. Butterfly? No, Mom. I am playing now. You can play later. Listen to me, son. No, I won't listen to you, Mom. I will only do what I want to do. Oh, boy. The little green frog made his mom very upset. He even sang the wrong songs to annoy his mom. Bit-rib, bit-rib. Frogs should sing ribbit, ribbit, not bit-rib, bit-rib. I like bit-rib, bit-rib. I said ribbit, ribbit. Bit-rib, bit-rib. The little green frog did the opposite of what his mom said. Son, come home early today. No. When his mom said come home early, he came home late. When his mom said come home late, he came home early. When his mom said go west, he went east. You should go west, son. No, I'll go east. Every day, the little green frog did the opposite. He also complained about the food. Son, I made delicious food for you. It is your favorite. It's not my favorite. I don't want to eat it. My favorite food is fried flies. You said you wanted to eat fried ants. No, I didn't. Give me fried flies. Give me fried flies. Okay, I'll make it. His mom was angry, but she didn't say anything. She loved the little green frog very much. One day, his mom told the little green frog to come home early. Son, come home early. There are lots of snakes around. You should be careful, okay? I know, Mom, I know. But the little green frog totally forgot what his mom said. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Oh, it's getting dark. We should go home. Yeah, my mom told me to come home early. I should go home now. Are you going home now? Son, come home early. No, I won't go home now. I will play more and go home later. That night was really dark. The little green frog was playing alone. Ah, it's a snake! Help me! When the snake was about to attack the little green frog, his mom yelled, Run away, son! Mom, are you okay? You got bitten. Wake up, Mom! I'm okay, son. I'm okay. His mom was bitten, and she was dying. She said her last wish. Son, if I die, can you bury me by the river? By the river? Not on the hill? His mom told him to bury her by the river. She thought the little green frog would do the opposite of what she said. But the little green frog regretted and decided to listen to his mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I should have listened to you. I'll listen to your last wish. Your mom may float away. No, I should keep my promise. I'm a good boy now. Ever since then, the little green frog cries on rainy days, worrying that his mom's grave would float away.